Hello, I'm James Clark from King's College London and welcome to my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is dedicated to three of my passions: physiology education, music and scuba diving. I'd like to especially welcome you to my new playlist, Tutorials for Educators. These tutorials have been designed for those in higher education in order to help us work online over the forthcoming months to deliver our education to our students. Some of the tutorials are specific to my institution, King's College London, and refer to our own virtual learning environment, which is called Keats, which is a version of Moodle. However, I think many of the tutorials might be useful for other educators both in higher education and further education. If you find these useful, please subscribe. I'm adding more every week. Please like, share and comment. I look forward to seeing you online.